back to channel C4 and Haggis. My name is Bruce, and apologies about this temporary studio. This is my bedroom, so it's not really a studio, so apologies for saying that. I am in the middle of building my new studio in the garage. It's nowhere near where I want it to be, but it will be eventually. So today I am doing a video on a Gadget Discovery Club, and I have recently started buying these guys after I was using the Sweatcoin app. You get paid in steps, but I'm interested in these guys because they're going to do their own crypto in this end of this year. So yes, today we got a Gadget Discovery Club. Normally this is $69.99, but the very first box to buy from them with an offer from Sweatcoin was £12.99 in UK money. So we have got that, and but yes, so what came in the box for the first time, I've already opened it, I've done a couple of failed attempts on live, still a new YouTuber, so apologies for the mess up, but what came in my first box was a Rise Mini Boom wireless speaker. I have opened it because I had the battery on it. I got it over a week ago, I just haven't had the time to do the unboxing for it. So we managed to unbox it. I've already tested it to make sure it works so I can do this video with confidence. So it is a Rise Mini Boom wireless speaker. Straight off the back, it says that it's got powerful sounds, surprisingly small, which it is surprisingly small. And it says it's the one thing that I don't get. It says remote camera control, bring out your inner photographer. It has no other functions apart from start and stop and play music. And it says you can fully charge in 2 hours and enjoy for up to 4 hours. Now, as a bloke, I never normally read the instructions, but because I'm doing unboxing videos, I now am using the instruction videos. So you get a little USB-C cable, not C cable, mini USB cable, my apologies, and 2 standard USB. But the instructions there at the back, let's go to the technical specs. It says that the playback time is 3 hours and the charging time is 1.5 hours. So the box says 4 for playback hours and the instructions say 3, and the charging hours say 2 hours and this says 1.5. So now that I have it out of the box and I know that it's working, I'm going to show you it working in a second. I will test this in about a week or so. I will do another follow-up video, maybe just a short, just to show what I did. And yes, so let's get on to the playback. So again, it's on at the minute. I'm going to turn it off. Nice and loud. Turn it back on again, you press the bottom button in, but first of all I want to show you guys. Done a little bit of a jerry-rig everything on this first before, and this is the covers to the bottom. You don't want to be leaving this on anything water, anything wet like a wet desk. So if you spill your tea or juice or whatever you've got at your desk while this is there, you make sure that you can dry this instantly, because that is not well protected at all. It literally came off. It's literally like that, and it peels off. Literally peels off. So I'm going to switch to my main camera because I did not realize I was on the normal camera. So let's transition into my full screen. There we are. So basic little camera, and there it is. Rise camera, basic USB on the bottom. And the reason I want my own studio is so I can stop having to do this in front of my MacBook camera. There is the internals of it. So not very well in terms of waterproofing. I'm not sure it's meant to be waterproofing, but the glue, as you can see, it's only stuck on about 3 points. So not 100% the best, but I will use this. I think this is pretty nifty. I'm going to turn it back on again by holding the button at the bottom. LEDs appear. Audible. Beep beep means it's connected. So I'm going to disconnect it again because it's on my iPhone just now. As you can see, Mini Boom is connected at the top. And let's go to forget this device. And then forget. And then what we're going to do is, there we go, disconnected. So it's flashing to say that it's ready to pair. Let's pair it again by clicking Mini Boom on the device. It doesn't need a password, it automatically connects. And there we go. And now I'm going to show you a little bit of the playback. So I'm going to look for one of the YouTube audio playback, as I don't want anything copyright coming up here. So let's look for these guys. Bear with me, 2 wee seconds. Artists, I'm sure it's Nefex these guys are that are on the YouTube playback. Which we don't have, so I'm going to go, hey Siri, play some Nefex from YouTube audio. I'm just you can make me. Right, I'm going to go with this one. It's not. To my party, getting started. Life is a dream. Not bad sound from such a small device. Again, you get the audio sound together and you press it in your hand, you can kill the audio quite quick. So if you're trying to hear somebody, you can just squeeze in your hand. But for a small dinky little, what do you call it, speaker, it's not bad. So this is meant to be £30, but I paid about £12.99 for it. Would I pay £30? No. But I'm sure you can get it cheaper somewhere on eBay used list or something. But that's it. That is the first package from Gadget Discovery Club, and I will pay for the next one. I will post information on the Gadget Discovery Club. No. I will post the links in the description down below for the Gadget Discovery Club and where you can get their subscription. I don't have any affiliate links for that, so anything you follow will be completely your own choice. Again, do your homework, like I say, with the crypto and everything else. Do your own homework. I like my gadgets, so this is what I'm going to be doing.